What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another throwback video. Like I keep telling you guys, I'm just waiting on my office inspection so I can be able to go out and buy and sell cars from the state. If you haven't seen my how to get dealer access part 1 and part 2, make sure you go watch those videos. So right now I'm just going through some throwback videos showing you guys what I paid for the car, what I sold the car for, just trying to give you guys a little game. In today's video, we got a 06 E350 4Matic. Now, I believe that this one was my second Mercedes-Benz I ever bought. This was, like I said, the 4Matic E350. I had bought like 4 of these like in my lifetime so far. So this was a very nice car, but this one wasn't in the greatest condition, man. This one needed like some hub bearings and some brakes, and it needed a battery. I ended up just changing the battery, and as you can see, the paint is faded a little bit on it. So this one wasn't the best one, but it was decent though. But as you can see, yeah. See, even on the top, the paint was faded and everything, but everything was pretty good with the car, man. Other than that, the brakes and the hub bearings. And if you don't know what a hub bearing is, it's like a noise you hear when you like driving down the street. It's like a roaring noise, so it might be like whoa, 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 whoa when you're driving or whatever. But anyway, back to the video, man. 06 Mercedes-Benz. Like I said, this was like the second one I ever bought. It was nice. I ended up paying $22 for this one as well. I know you guys like, dang, you paid $22 for all of them, but yeah, man, I used to like that number, man, for some reason. No, 21. I'm sorry, 21. So that's how much I paid for this one. It was a very nice car, man, but like I said, it needed some work. Paint was faded and everything, but other than that, man, the car was in good condition. The person that I ended up selling this car to, man, he kind of like didn't mind, working on it a little bit. He was buying it for his son. I think his son was going to college, so he knew he had to put some work in it or whatever. So I paid $21 for it, and I sold it for $2,900. Way less than that other Mercedes-Benz E350 you guys seen. You know what I mean? But I did make money off of it. And as you can see in the video, that it did need brakes, man. It needed brakes pretty bad. So as like I was driving, you can hear the brakes and everything. So that's kind of why I sold this car like kind of cheap. It had 188,000 miles on it as well. So it had like, 20,000 more miles than the other one. But other than that, man, it was a nice car. It was a clean car. It looked good. You know what I'm saying? I kind of like these body styles on this car. And as you can see, the interior was clean and everything. It wasn't a dirty car or anything. It just needed some hub bearings and some brakes. But other than that, man, it was a pretty good car, man. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this car, man. But I did make money off of it. You gotta be careful when you buying these cars too, man, because you know what I mean? Sometimes you can make your money off of some Benzes, like they resale value is all right, but then, some of them, they really not, you know what I'm saying? But like, I'm not saying I wouldn't buy another one, but some, they go higher. Like I was getting deals on these cars, guys. I don't think you guys understand. Like, I was getting deals on these cars, man. It's not kind of like that no more. You know what I'm saying? Like you paying 21 for something like this, you're probably gonna pay a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? It's a Benz. It has some miles on it. I don't even remember if the AC worked on this bad boy or not. I don't remember. When I bought this car and I bought it, I was just trying to get my money back and I made some money off of it, but this wasn't like the best buy either, just because as soon as I drove off, it needed brakes. I'm saying it needed hub bearings, which I could have fixed, but like I just told you guys, I paid $21. I ended up selling it for $29. You know what I'm saying, with brakes and all of that. I still would have made money, but I would have had to do some work. So I just told the people what was going on with the car, and they still wanted it. Yeah. And as you can see, I'm messing with the AC. So yeah, the AC didn't even work. You know what I mean? So again, man, I thank you guys for watching another throwback video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Got a lot of content coming from you guys soon. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So make sure you guys help me out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I will catch you guys on the next throwback, which will be tomorrow. Peace, guys.